All right, this is going to be a room tour of room 7094 at the Hilton Chicago OHare. And this is the Hilton Chicago at OHare Airport. So let's go in, and here's our room. This is a typical Hilton property, but a very nice one on the airport. So here's our exit plan. It's huge. We're currently right here. 2 sets of elevators and service elevator right here. East elevators, west elevators. This is a standard king room. And this is a standard Hilton room with a decent view. First thing we got is the closet. And so we have a laundry bag. We have a safe ironing board. We have a shelf up here and a clothes rack right down here. Bathroom. We have nice lighting, very comfortable, very homey. Standard Hilton amenities, Crabtree, body lotion. Everything was clean when I got here. Here are the amenities right here. Nice massaging shower head, it looks like. Bathtub. It's a pretty standard sized bathroom. Sink, hand soap actually, and 3 washcloths. 2 rolls of toilet paper and a hairdryer. Nice light door. Here we have a nightstand with a clock, a mini fridge. Behind there, no microwave, which I expected up here for some reason, but no microwave. A 2-cup coffee maker. Ice, which is on every floor because the place is huge. King bed, like I said, standard king. Another lamp over here with power outlets. We have power outlets on each lamp, as well as USB-C wireless charging and normal outlets. So that's pretty nice. Made by Key. Here's the phone. Chair. This one's a little bit. It would be comfortable. This one's kind of bottomed out. There's no more cushion on it anymore. But there's like hundreds of rooms in this place. We also have a nice big desk with a drawer right here. Nothing in it. Hotel directory is scannable now. Lamp here, and then we have the view. So here we have the exterior of the hotel. This hotel does have a grassy area. It also has an outdoor deck area. You can sit and have coffee, walk around. There is a transfer from that's Terminal 2, above ground or below ground. There's the train, the ATS train. Terminal 1's there. Terminal 2 is right in the middle here. We can see planes back there. And Terminal 3 is just to the left over there where the American planes are. This is not considered a runway view. However, being the 7th on the Hilton app, if you check in early, they did consider it not a runway view. So 7th floor does have good views. And I thought I was just going to view the cars dropping people off, but that wasn't the case here. Nice grassy area. You can walk your dogs along here. We have the one of the Chicago towers, as well as the other one. This is not actually. It's an old one. That is also an old one, but that one's in use. And you can see the other ones over here, and the other space shuttle tower. There's a bunch of tower. Chicago has a bunch of towers, but yeah. So here's the view. Still zoomed in. Here's the view. It's a pretty nice view. I'm not gonna lie. Nice grassy area. If you want to, come out and even if you have a layover at the airport and you want to touch some grass, you can just walk on out here and just sit on the benches or go to the lobby or something. There is grass, which is a good sign. And we see the train track, which was built a few years ago. Tram track right there. So up there it is. Here's the tram coming. These rooms are also soundproof. But yeah, let me know what you think of the room. We'll watch this come in real quick. Let me know what you think of the room. Looks like we do have window access for ventilation. I'm not sure if it's required on this tape. Let me know what you think of the room. Pretty standard room. Decent size. It's an airport hotel. And one of the nicer ones at that. But it's pretty normal Hilton. Anyway, that's it.